morning guys, welcome to phonics today. Let's start as always by having a recap of the phonemes we have already learnt. So if you want to join in with me, we have a, p, I, g, o, k, o, b, d, e, j, u, x, y, and the last one, z. Okay, let's just have a reminder of our tricky words. So, my turn, your turn. Are you ready? She, me, he, be, we. Remember, they're tricky because we can't blend them, we just have to learn them. Okay, this week we are going to be learning some digraphs. Now, a digraph is where you have two phonemes and they go together, but they only make one sound. So this digraph with the k and the k, still, when they go together, when we sound it out, we don't say k, k, it just makes the one sound, k, okay? K. We know how to write these letters, we've practiced those lots already, haven't we? The curly k and the kicking k. Although remember, sometimes we see it look like that, and sometimes you see it look like that. Okay, let's have a look at some words using our k digraph. Now this digraph usually comes at the end of a word. You will see it at the end of a word, the final phoneme. Okay, here are our words for today. My turn first, then your turn. Okay. Sack, sack. You have a go. And the next one is kick, kick. Your turn. And the last word is pack, pack. Your turn. Okay, now we're going to have a go at writing those words. So let me see if I want to write the word sack. I'm going to get my robot arms at the ready to segment and see what we can hear. Ready? Sack, sack. Okay? Let's have a go. Sack. And remember, we need both of those to make the one sound at the end. Sack, sack. You see if you can do that at home. And the next word is kick. Okay? Kick. So, robot arms at the ready. K-ick, kick. Okay, so when we have the k sound at the beginning, we just have one. So, k-ick. And then our digraph at the end to make the word kick, kick. You see if you can do it at home. Don't forget to send us some pictures of the words you've been writing and your phonics practice. Bye!